Where are we?
We're at the ferry service, Great Keppel Island. We're going to the island for the day.
On the Freedom Fast Cats. New day, new adventure, guys. We are still buzzing from yesterday's adventure over to Great Keppel Island. We could not have asked for better weather. Couldn't sleep last night. It's just just buzzing over that adventure. So today I'm heading off to Byfield National Park.
150 metres.
Never been there, so it's all new to me. I've taken the tinny off the top just because of clearance and the center of gravity for the cruiser, and we're not going to use the boat because the wind is blowing a bit today, but this is one of the better days I've got to go. It's going to drop some more fuel in and we're going to head up. Been told up Stony Creek, 5 Rocks, 9 Mile Beach, all that. So, and I've also timed it. What's the time now? 10 o'clock. When we get to 5 Rocks, it should be low tide. That's the plan. So I'm either going to do Upper Stony Creek first, because I believe that's on this side of the Byfield National Park, or I might just punch it straight to 5 Rocks and then work my way back just because of the tides. But super excited. So here's the map. So Water Park Road, I reckon we're over here. I hope you can see that, guys, from that angle. And we got to go all up here. Now, 4-wheel drive difficult is Big Sandy, which I'm hoping to conquer today. But you got to get through the difficult section to get to the medium section. Generally, it's the other way around, but we'll get there, let our tyres down, have a look, and we'll give it a go. Now, I am by myself, and the only bit of recovery gear I've got is a set of Max Tracks and a shovel, and just V8 power, really. Here it is, guys. Just started the so you come along about 3 or 4k, and then you stop, you go over this little one-way bridge, and then you jump onto this unsealed road. So it's starting to get more into the park, I would think. Road's not bad, just driving 50k an hour, nothing too serious. We're gonna punch on, see how far. So what I've also done is I've cleared my trip meter, my trip B meter back at that turn off, just so that I can, if I get into any trouble, at least I can tell people where I am. And when you come in as well, there's a phone number on the board there that you can take. It's a beach recovery number, and then also if you've got a UHF channel 3. So I'm just trying to cover myself. I've got a bloke behind me, so I'm not sure if he's going up Big Sandy or going to 5 Rocks or wherever, but yeah, it's starting to get a bit crazy. Here we are. So we put the tyre pressures down. Old mate is just in front of me. He's just gone off there. He's in a Pajero. He said he'd done this 2 years ago. He's dropped his tyre pressure down to 16. I don't know, I'll go down to maybe 18 on the front, 20 on the back. So it's just a bit further on, and then we start Big Sandy. A bit nervous, to be honest. At least he's in front of me. So I'm gonna quickly drop the tyre pressures and head on. Let's get up and over. It's turning out to be a beautiful day. I won't lie to you, this sort of stuff gets me old ticker going. But yeah, let's drop these tyres. Jesus. Guys, this is it. Climbing. I stopped there to put it in 4-wheel drive, and oh god, I shouldn't have done that. Let's go to the right. Why not? keep it on the safe side. Let's hope no one's coming down. I've got to come down this bloody thing. Serious hill to climb. Holy moly! Wow! Holy smokes! Woo! That is insane! That went on for a lot longer than I thought. Look at the view from up here. Wow! Woo! You're not going to get up there without four-wheel drive, I don't think. Or without braking something if you get it at speed. But guys, I tell you what, look at the mountains in the background. That's how we come up. Woo! Well, now I'm excited. Let's keep going. All I know is we've got to go down that when we come back, but we'll just go slow. But anyway, I'm looking forward to seeing the beach. Well, there it is, guys. First stop is Stockyard Point Lookout. Look at this. The colour of the water. But that's 5 rocks over there. And the road I've taken to get there, the road's closed. So I'm out of time to go all the way back, and there's another road you can take to get there. Damn it, because I really wanted to get there. 5 Rock Beach, I think it's just around the bend. But to my right, oh, she's blowing, is 9 Mile Beach. So I'm gonna head back and see if I can drop down onto that beach, take a little drive down. I've got to watch time, is 1 o'clock and it's low tide, so it's a good time to shoot down there and see if we can get to the end. I don't think we're gonna get to the end, but let's go down and have a look anyway. Phew! 9 Mile Beach, baby. Oh, she's a bit soft. Yeah, look at that. It's blowing the gale, but let's see how far down we can go and see if we can find a little spot, eh? Phew! Yeah, the boys! So I managed to drive down 9 Mile Beach, up and over this little section into this beautiful bay here. But as you can see behind me, it's pretty low. It doesn't look great from this angle, but what I want to do is stick the drone up in the air and let's see what it looks like from a bird's eye view.
You've been down this road for far too long. He left your love behind, but still you keep on crawling back despite the pain inside. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and you'll see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me.
That is insane. The view from the top is just amazing. Wow. Just can't get enough of it, how beautiful this east coast of Queensland is, eh? But it's now 2:20, and I was probably at the furthest point as well. and I have to make my way back home now. So I'm going to punch it back, and I'm going to see you where we started this morning, and if there's anything that happens along the way, well, I'll share it with you. But I've got a mammoth drive ahead of me, and I'm just going to punch it out now. So we'll see you then.
For you to be happy, give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and you'll see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me.
So there it is, guys, Byfield National Park, back where we started this morning. 70.1 k's exactly. We went to Stockyard Point Lookout, up 9 Mile Beach, all the way to the top and over to the bay, which is bloody incredible. And what a day I've spent in there. I wish I could have spent more time in there, and even maybe camped in there with a swag or something. Plenty of people camping in there, which is awesome to see. So I'm just going to stick some air in the tyres now, and then head up to Upper Stony Creek. Is it Upper Stony Creek? I'm pretty sure. That's supposed to be quite a good little spot to have a look at. Also, that's a campground there. Yeah, let's stick this air in these tyres, eh? Well, our time at Yeppoon is coming to an end, and we've just pulled out. I can show you, yeah, check this out. The caravan is just over there. And I'll tell you what, guys, this is the unpowered side. Other than the ditch they parked us in, which is quite hard to level the van, it's been an absolute ripper. And look here, I'll try to get that spot over there, but anyway, I'll explain now. Look at this. So, it's been washed from the beach. So just giving it a little wipe down. The boat's back on the top, sparkling clean again, ready to get dirty. But I had a plan this afternoon. I wanted to take you to an abandoned resort called Capricorn Resort. Now apparently this is a resort opened up in the mid-1980s, and it's been going for several years, and in 2016 they walked out and shut it down, and it's just standing abandoned since then. So what's that, almost 4 or 5 years? And my little bit of research tells me it's on about 9,000 hectares of land. 2 golf courses it had, I think only one's operating. And it was home to about 300 employees. So just think about those 300 people around Yeppoon, I would think, lost their jobs in 2016, and it's been shut down. Apparently also when they opened up the swimming pool, back then when it opened, was one of the biggest in the southern hemisphere. And anyway, I was there today recording, and I got the drone up, and the security came and told me I couldn't do that. So pulled it down, and they asked me not to put the footage up on social media, which I agreed. So unfortunately I can't show you, but yeah, you can jump on Google and you can have a look at it. Also, what we want to know, because it absolutely blew my mind, if you guys have been there before in the past when it's been open, drop the comments in. We would love to know what it was like. If you've got any photos, share them with us, because we'd love to know, because that sort of stuff interests us. But we pulled up for our last little soiree, and we've got used to this. What do we got?
Yeah, fruit, very good for you. Strawberries.
And what goes in the strawberries? Well, with the strawberries?
A bit of lime, bit of ice, bit of sugar water, bit of rum.
Bit of what rum? We're making strawberry daiquiris, and we're going to sit back Unfortunately, that's the only one we can get and watch the sun go down. So let me help Sue chop these strawberries up, and let's get a mix going, and we'll show you how we make it and how it tastes. So now that we've chopped up the strawberries, as you can see in here, we've got a homemade sugar syrup because we can't find any. Just gonna 30 mils. This is for two, so that's a 60 ml cup, so we'll go halfway, which is there.
Wait. How big is that cup? Is
60.
it a quarter cup?
60 cup.
Okay.
And I'm like, must put 30 mils in,
Yeah.
so it's half. Alright, we got that in. And this is the best part. I've got me, if you want, I can put up the link to the daiquiri. We're still getting it in our head. 60 mils of lime juice, which is nice and cold.
We usually use fresh limes, but we couldn't find any today.
Mosquitoes are here. Yeah, we like to use the fresh ones, but anyway, we couldn't find, so that's okay. So 60 mils of that, so that is a 60 ml cup. I'll throw that in there. It's all coming again. Now this is the best part. 120 mils of white rum. Now as you can see, the mark is over there. We've had a few already. Well, not now today, but we've had a few times testing this out. We're not driving, so we'll put 60 in, eh? Oh, 120 I mean, so 2 cups of that. Oh yes. You can make it stronger if you want. We just prefer it like that. There you go. We have to put ice in, but I can't get the ice into the mixer right now, so we'll give that a whirl. I'll get the ice in a minute. Give it a go, yeah. Woo. See, without the ice, that's a little bit watery. So what we'll do is we'll just drop 2 blocks of ice in there. That's what we found works. They're quite big.
I'd go 3. Go 3 if you can.
3? Well, was it a bit watery last time?
Yeah.
Alright, let's
Boy,
go.
careful.
Oopsie. It's okay. I got 3 ice blocks this time then. Oh, well, that's going to have to do it. One for Sue. Look at that. Hey? Look at that. Yeah, my dear. Cha-ching. So, guys, we're gonna sip that, watch the sunset, and our time has come. We leave early in the morning. We head north. We're still heading north, and myself and Sue just want to say thank you to those that support us.
Yes.
And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Leave the comments in below if you have, but until next time, see you guys.